Never book your flight to arrive on the day of your cruise. Air travel, while often the fastest way to get to your destination, can also bring headaches in the form of flight delays and cancellations. For example, Miami International Airport, MIA, is very popular with cruisers. They had a high number of delays and cancellations in 2024. Book your flight to arrive 1 or 2 days before your cruise to avoid missing your cruise ship due to a flight delay or cancellation. Another mistake to avoid is not putting your phone in airplane mode after boarding the ship. Airplane mode helps you avoid international roaming charges while at sea and in the ports. Airplane mode will save you from getting a massive phone bill from your cellular service provider. Finally, never book a cruise without adding travel insurance. All cruise insurance plans are unique. Some have different coverages than others. It is important to carefully read the insurance policy before agreeing to the purchase. Most travel insurance plans for cruises cover the following: trip delays, interruptions, and cancellations. This kind of coverage is essential any time of the year, but especially during hurricane season when storms can impact your travel plans. Protection for medical emergencies. This type of coverage can help pay for unexpected medical bills if you're injured on board the ship or hurt during a shore excursion. You can also choose a cruise insurance plan that covers emergency medical evacuation from the ship or foreign port to the nearest U.S. hospital. Coverage for lost or delayed baggage. Coverage for baggage is important for cruises just like any other trip. This type of insurance can pay for essential items you need to buy if your bags are lost or stolen and don't make it on the ship. With each of these protections, a coverage limit is listed with your plan. This means you may get reimbursed for your losses or prepaid travel expenses up to this limit, but only when a covered reason applies to your claim. The most important reason to buy cruise insurance is for medical emergencies. Note that once you're on a cruise ship or visiting a destination outside the United States, your own U.S. health insurance plan will not apply. The same truth applies if you have government health coverage like Medicare. Follow Huddle Adventures for cruise tips, vlogs, reviews, and news. See you on the high seas.